So here we are. Just arrived. My custom SG, the Chicago custom from Jason Ingrodi. And let's unbox this baby. Let's see what we got. Alright, so let's open it up. Obviously, if you're going to ship anything, less than 10 minutes it's going to ship, put the damn thing in a case. It is. Packed nicely with paper. Nice case. Alright, let's take her out of there. Pardon my sniffling, my allergies are fucking terrible today. Okay, so here we go. Let's open up this case and see what we got. My God. So, Jason sent pictures the entire time he was building this thing, but dear God, they don't do it justice. Holy hell, man. This thing is beautiful. It's even got the new guitar smell. Hell yeah. Black hardware. Wolf tone Marshall head pickups. Look at that thing. Oh, if this thing plays half as nice, I'm going to be a very happy man. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. And I'll post later. Well, let's get a shot of the back. Beautiful, beautiful job finishing this. Neck feels amazing. And later I'll post another part with some sound clips from this. Cheers, Jake. Great job.